Bel allan yn llydan. At Finch. Y coesiad ar draws. Cael ei ffenio lawr. Stacey John Davies. A dwy ergyd yn cael ei hwystod i dal ar gael ei chlirio. Hosford dros y bar. A yna ddau gyfle gwirioneddol yn fanna i'r tîm cartra Cath.
Mae rhaid canmol Wrecsam fyna. Bydd pawb sefyll yn gryf fyna a dihangfa yn sicr i Wrecsam.
Abertawe yn llwyddo i ddelio efo'r bygythiad yn y pen draw. Ta ydyn nhw. Mae'r bêl wedi cael ei rhoi nôl i Wrecsam. Mae'n gyfle fan hyn. Mae dal i fod gyfle neu Lightfoot yn arbediad. Ond ar yr ail gyfle, mae Cara Jones wedi rhoi Wrecsam ar y blaen. Yn hollol yn erbyn llif y chwarae.
Williams fyna just yn cael gomr o amser ar y bêl. A chwarae teg i Cara Jones, ond nath hi darllen y sefyllfa a sicrhau bod hi yna am yr ail bêl a'i bod yn deg, oedd hi ffili colli'r ergyd o fanna.
Hosford. Efo rhywun o le. Croesi'n isal. A'r ergyd yn cael ei throi dros y bar tro yma gan Delyth Morgan.
Ymdrech da, a mae Stacey John Davies a Chloe Chivers ar y post yn pella, bach yn grac bod e ddim just yn bêl wedi osod yn ôl.
Call Cara Jones y gwahaniaeth rhwng y tîma ar hyn o bryd. Lake tro yma! A mae Ellie Lake wedi dod ar tîm cartra'n gyfartal. Eiliad o safon gan y tîm cartra. Yr ergyd o bell ar ei droed chwith gan Ellie Lake.
Ellie Lake, fi'n credu, jyst yn meddwl, wel, na i mentro a gweld beth sy'n digwydd. A yn y diwedd, mae wedi sgorio gol i unioni 1-1 yn y gêm yma i Abertawe.
Pinder yn llithro mewn i adfer y meddiant. Hosford. Ergyd hi'n cael ei rhwystro. Ar ochr y cwrt Cosby. Chivers sy'n gallu ergydio bell! Ergyd hi'n taro'n postyn! A fi hwnna ddim yn cyfri. A Llyman, y dyfarnwr cynorthwyol ymlaen i fyny. I Abertawe. Heb sylweddoli hynny eto. No, Lucy Pinder yn meddwl i bod hi wedi dod ag Abertawe yn gyfartal Robin Pinder yn hytrach. Tîm cartra wedi dwyn y bêl yn ôl. Hosford wedi dod mewn i cael mi. Katie Hosford! A dydi Prif sgoriwr Abertawe ddim yn methu o fanna. A mae Abertawe wedi troi'r gêm ar ei pen.
A ti'n modd beth, Pryn ydi amddiffyn Wrecsam wedi gwneud camgymeriad. Ond doedd yn canu fyny allan o'r linell amddiffynol fyna. Ac yn anffodus y bêl yn mynd dros pen siop. A i fod yn deg i Hosford, mae rhaid jyst canmol y ffaith bod hi wedi cadw cwl.
Stacey, a huge 3 points there, an important 3 points. Some performance, you girls had to show some character to come back into that one.
Yeah, massively. You know, the girls really did put 90 minutes out there as a team effort, and we're thrilled to come away with the 3 points today. We thoroughly deserve it.
Katie, was there a period where you felt like perhaps you were making it a little bit difficult work for yourselves, but you really dug in to come back into it?
Yeah, 100%. I think that's something we've shown all year, is the resilience in this team. We don't give up when we go 1-0 down. And I think they had a one chance really the whole game, and I think we had a better half. So I'm really proud of the team, really happy to come away with 3 points.
Well, Steve, a disappointing one for you in the end. How do you assess that one?
Just don't think second half we helped ourselves really. You know, I think we addressed at half time what the opposition were doing and causing us a few issues. I just think we tried to soak up too much pressure and sit off them a little bit too much rather than get after them a little bit. So disappointing really.
I have to ask as well about the experience of playing in a stadium like this. There's over 3.5 supporters here today behind you. What does that feel like?
It's phenomenal. You know, it's brilliant to see all the young girls and boys' faces in the stands there. You know, it really does spur us on as a team, and you know, we're all really grateful for them turning out today.
Chris, a big 3 points there, no doubt about that. How do you assess the performance though?
Oh, I think we were phenomenal. We played some great football. I think we were far the better team. You know, Wrexham came to, you know, stifle us. They made it hard to beat at times, you know, and credit to them. But I think overall, I think we deserve the win.
You're still in a super strong position in the league though, and without wanting to sound like a cliche, it's just a matter of picking yourselves back up and cracking on now.
Yeah, we have to. You know, there's no point. You know, we had a conversation after the Cardiff game as a group that, you know, we needed to be better. You know, similar conversation there at the end that, you know, if we're going to compete against the best teams, we have to make sure that we're applying ourselves in the right way. And, you know, it's another good opportunity to kickstart another good run for us.